Vlogmas day 18, and we're off to pick up more auction items. I got some small things that y'all, you know what I love. Running a little behind schedule, but that's okay. And what is that? Mike!
Turn the camera off, it's time to work.
Uh-huh. Ready?
Yes.
I got this stash of stuff here. So a little bench. What's this? That flips up. We got this side table. Glasses here. They had this Coach bag. It's new with tags. This mirror. This cabinet that I'm thrilled about. It's beautiful. This beautiful big mirror. These little round mirrors. I don't know what I'm more excited about. The cabinet or the hands that I got. Ah, beautiful. And they came with all these milk glass goblets and these adorable little glasses with a gold rim. That is not all. Let me show you what's over here. These antique and vintage scoops. There's, I think, 4 of them in this lot. And then all of these little stumpy crocks / bowls. And I believe, yes, they're all labeled and they are Roseville pieces. Some of them say kitty, some of them say dog, and some of them don't say anything at all. It's like Ray Dunn before it was Ray Dunn. You know what I mean? We got a lot to load up. And I'm sure Mike is hungry. Mike, are you hungry? Yeah, he's hungry. Okay. A little close there, honey.
You mean that was perfect? I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no.
You're good.
Oh no. Are you sure you want to? I don't think you're gonna have to lift.
Yep.
Wait, you didn't need me. You could have just pushed.
Now for getting this piece in the garage. This is why I cleaned it at the beginning of Vlogmas, because I knew it would be chaos again at some point.
I got the 5-pound boot, so that hurt.
It was really just furniture pickup today. I'm waiting on Mike so we can go to this graduation party, but I forgot to tell you guys, while I was looking into the inventory stuff last night, right? I found an app that's free. You can upgrade that and pay for the app if you want to, and it's called Daily Sales Record. And from what I've seen, it is the closest thing to what I'm looking for. I think I'll keep the QuickBooks, but I might downgrade my plan just because when I was playing around with it last night, I did like how it could attach to my business bank account, and then I could go through in any kind of card transaction. You can kind of categorize it as like, yes, that's gas. Yes, that's inventory. That Facebook Marketplace purchase, yes, that's inventory. Over time, as you categorize stuff, it will automatically do it for you, which is nice. And it also showed where I made mobile deposits from my antique mall sales checks, and I could go in there and actually split up the amount into actual like sales made versus like sales tax that I have to pay. So that was all very helpful. Here comes Michael. He's got a golf club. Why? Do you want to say bye to the people?
Bye.
That's all you want to say? Nothing. I mean, good grief. They would like to hear something instructional or inspirational.
When you're golfing, make sure to interlock your fingers. No pro golfer has never done it. So if you want to be a pro golfer, interlock your fingers. Or overlap. It locks them in place. Oh, is that not what you wanted?
Maybe I'll edit that out.
Yeah, you probably should.
Okay, guys. Bye. We'll talk more tomorrow.
Bye.